Sometimes we think that small insects are harmless to us as humans. But think about it again, there are many dangerous ants there. They have the ability to take the life of our colony. Yes, we are talking about the most dangerous ants in the world today, the types of ants we should stay away from. One good thing about these dangerous ants is that they usually live in the wild instead of sharing a house with us. With the exception of Antarctica, there are more than 12,500 species of ants on every continent, but only a few are very deadly. 10. Siafu ant. Siafu ants, Doralus or driver ant or safari ants are among the most dangerous ants in the world. These ants usually move with thousands of ants in each nest, and they will cut and eat anything that hinders their progress. These aggressive ants have strong jaws that can tear their prey apart in just a few seconds. Siafu ants stabbed, but its fierce jawbone is its main weapon. The jaws of Gongfu Siafu ants are larger, stronger, and more capable of stinging. This kind of ants has no nests, they look for food in groups. Only after the queen lays eggs, the colony will remain for a few days. These ants will not chase you because they are busy dealing with their own affairs. Siafu ants will only attack when you block their way. Their bites are very painful, and they are powerful enough to attack large creatures such as snakes and lizards. 9. Pony ant. The name is not convincing enough to convince people that they are one of the most dangerous ants. Pony ants, also known as green-headed ants, are known for their metallic appearance, ranging from purple to reddish purple. The bites of these ants are very powerful and can cause severe pain to humans. Remember that the venom may put the victim into anaphylactic shock, which is an allergic reaction. Can cause itching, vomiting and swelling. If not treated properly, it can lead to death. 8. Jackjumper ant. Jackjumper ant has many names, also known as jumping jack, hopper ant or jackjumper. This species is a type of poisonous ant that is active during the day and feeds on small insects. Ants live by nesting in bushes, woodlands and dry open forests, which are surrounded by gravel and sand. These poisonous ants killed about 4 people between 1980 and 2000. As we all know, jackjumpers are dangerous to people because their stings can cause mild reactions and cause allergies. Symptoms include increased heart rhythm and decreased blood pressure. A bite by an ant is not serious, but these ants usually travel in groups. These ants have a retractable stinger on their abdomen, attached to a single venom gland. If there are no signs of an allergic reaction, you can use an ice pack or spray on the affected area to relieve pain. These ants are usually found in rural areas, so check carefully to make sure you are not camping near their nests. 7. Green tree ant. Green tree ants or weaver ants are known for their unique ability to build nests by using larval silk to weave leaves. Their colonies may be very large because they consist of more than 100 nests, spanning many trees, and these trees have more than 1 million people. These ants do not sting, but they have strong and painful bites, like piercing the skin. An ant cannot kill you, but their entire colony can be very careful. 6. Florida harvester ant. These ants harvest seeds from plants and store them in underground nests, which is why they got their name. The fascinating thing about these ants is that they possess the venom found in cobras and western honeybees. Ants use venom as a defense mechanism to kill animals like horned lizards. If these little children can kill lizards, then they are also harmful to us humans. The spines produced by these ants are very harsh, and the surrounding area becomes dark red with sticky secretions. 5. Fire ant. Fire ants are common ants that people in Southeast Asia often live with. There are more than 200 kinds of fire ants, and the common feature of these species is the burning skin effect after biting. The bite of fire ants is very painful, but they usually do not ask for trouble. However, if they bite you like a group of people, it will be very dangerous, because their venom contains alkaloids. After a bite, an allergic reaction to our skin can cause spots to swell and irritate. The problem is that fire ants bite people just to catch, and then sting to inject poisonous alkaloid venom. The death of these ants is usually caused by allergic reactions. A fire ant will sting many times, which is why these dangerous ants are harmful to children and pets. 4. Bullhorn acacia ant. It all started when the newly mated queen was attracted by the smell of the acacia tree and began to nest in it. The queen is stabbed and lays 15 to 20 eggs to produce the first generation of workers. This ant looks like a wasp, but they don't have wings and they have big eyes. The bite of the horned acacia ant produces a pulsating effect, which can be very painful for our skin. If you disturb a tree full of these dangerous ants, they will attack you without hesitation. Very aggressively, most of them will not only run along the trunk to the ground to attack, but also jump out of a tree and climb onto you. Let us stay away from these ants. Do not be bitten by these ants, the pain is unpleasant. 3. Bullet ant. The bullet ant is not only one of the most dangerous ants, but also the animal with the strongest stinging ability. People who have experienced the sting say that it is equivalent to being shot. The tingling caused by the bullet can cause pain and affect the nervous system, and may cause muscle spasms. Not only that, the victim's stinging lasted for more than 24 hours. Unless you are allergic, a bite from a bullet ant will not kill you. Its venom can cause terrible pain, followed by bursts of burning, throbbing, and pain that lasts for hours. In addition, these ants will not attack unless provoked. At least this is good news. 2. Bulldog ant. The Guinness Book of World Records regards them as the most dangerous ants in the world, and has caused some deaths so far. These ants are very aggressive, and have no fear of us humans. Not to mention that they bite several times in a row. There will be more venom after each bite. You should really stay away from them. During the attack, the bulldog ant grabs the victim with its long, toothed mandible, and then curls its body underneath. These ants have big eyes, and if you cause any disturbance to them, they will not be afraid to attack and attack. If you do not escape fast enough, the sting of these ants will only kill you within 15 minutes. In addition, they can jump a few inches. So we don't get close to these dangerous ants. 1. Army ant. These ants are very dangerous to humans because they always attack in groups. Ants are usually very aggressive. They are constantly migrating underground from one place to another. The reason why these ants are dangerous is that their sword-like stings are only half the size of their bodies. Surprisingly, army ant workers are blind, so they are not afraid to attack anything in their own way. Usually, these ants will attack victims who are much larger than them without fear. These ants are fast, and their attacks usually cause endless panic, which makes them easy to kill their prey.